How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we have to take a look at the SafeMoon crash that just happened, talk about what's happening, and I want to go through all of it. I want to talk about top news, I want to talk about what I'm doing, whether I'm worried, all that kind of stuff. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. As always, I would never give financial advice. However, I do want to give you my thoughts and opinions and what I'm doing because you might get something out of it. With that being said, if you guys don't mind hitting the like button, I really appreciate that. It helps out the channel. Not last video, but the video before. We didn't have many likes. We had a lot of views, but not too many likes. The last video on SafeMoon, we did a much better job, so I would love if we could hit those likes again. Also, hit subscribe while you're down there and turn on that bell notification if you don't mind. That way you can be notified right when I post a video. Also, there is a link down there to Webull in case you want to try your hand at the stock market. You can definitely get some free stocks. They allow you to trade before the market opens and after it closes. And there's a link down there to BlockFi to get an interest rate and a bonus on your cryptocurrency. Now is really a good time to get that interest rate because if you're averaging down, you can actually get significant interest on your crypto, and that will mean a lot once the price goes up eventually if you believe that it will. Now, SafeMoon broke past all supports recently, and it pretty much it crashed. Let's just be honest. It crashed pretty significantly. I don't think anyone can say it didn't crash. It went down to 0.000035. Now, let's look at the 7-day here. We have not seen it hit anything like this anytime recently. We have had it hit about these levels before. We had seen support around this level, but we are falling down to about a $3 billion market cap. A lot of people that don't like SafeMoon say, hey, when there is a bear market, it will fall down significantly. They think that there's no use case for it. We're going to take a look at that today and take a look at the news because I do believe that altcoins will be hit very hard if we go into a bear market in terms of crypto. So I think SafeMoon would be in that boat too. Now, what's happening overall in the market? Well, we have large institutions buying this. We have Elon Musk saying that they have diamond hands. They have Michael Saylor saying that they acquired 111,000 Bitcoin today. Now, in some of my other videos, I would suggest you guys watch some of those other crypto videos too, because it does have something to do with SafeMoon, because a lot of these do move in tandem when there are massive sell-offs or massive bull runs, so I would pay attention to that. Basically what's happening is there was some fear, uncertainty, and doubt about China banning Bitcoin and banning crypto overall, which has been something that they've been talking about and has been pretty clear for several years now. And there was some misrepresentation of what was happening. We also have Elon talking about the massive environmental issues facing Bitcoin a couple days ago. We have leverage traders having margin calls. That's why we're having so much liquidated. Now, I will tell you something secret. I have not lost a dime from this cryptocurrency crash because I'm not selling anything, right? I have not lost a dollar because of the fact that I hold all the same amount of SafeMoon. I hold all the same amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I've been actually averaging down. So I was able to pick up a lot of cryptocurrency on the dip today. Now, SafeMoon in general, let's take a look. And one thing that I do want to point out, it's not good at all. We have Fairmoon, which someone had talked to me about in a video yesterday, and I see other people talk about it too. They got rug pulled. So this is something that you have to pay attention to when you're investing in new cryptocurrencies. Honestly, that's why there is a lot of risk when you invest with new cryptos, even SafeMoon, right? SafeMoon is not the same risk level that Cardano or Ethereum or Bitcoin have. They are very different, and you have to realize that going into it. Now, we have come up a significant amount from the bottom today, right? We're up, 50, 60%, 70% from the bottom today. Now, they do have some news. They have an exchange alert where they actually are on LBank Exchange, which is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges. We can see here it is number 41 in terms of volume with about, actually we should sort by volume. It's 41 on this list, but I believe it's actually probably higher in terms of volume. It's 41, yeah. So they do a significant amount of trading on here, and actually it looks like it is higher. I don't know why it doesn't sort by the amount of volume, but it is in some of the top exchanges here. In addition to that, we do have some other news too, and I think this is a pretty good representation for what's happening. As as much as we hate seeing dips, we would love to see SafeMoon go to the moon. Every single time it goes up and down, we are getting reflections, right? I have more SafeMoon than I had yesterday, and I did not have to do anything to get it. I didn't have to put any more money in it. The SafeMoon is sitting in there, and it is just collecting more and more money. Of course, you do have to pay attention. If we go through a bear market, it could be bad for SafeMoon. I think that is very obvious. I know that there are a lot of people that feel very strongly about SafeMoon, and I feel like it is an interesting risk reward right now, especially because we have seen so much consolidation around this point. But if cryptocurrency in general does fall significantly, like if Bitcoin goes under 30, if Ethereum goes under 2,000, if Cardano goes under $1, people might take money away from SafeMoon and either just pull out of the market completely, or they might take it and put it into some of those other cryptocurrencies because the risk reward might be better in their mind in those cryptos. So we are seeing some semblance of a relationship between SafeMoon, and we had seen dips in the general crypto market before this, and SafeMoon held up really well. Now, this is a little bit different. There are a lot of positions that are being liquidated. A lot of people are losing a lot of money, but big money, smart money, institutions are buying these dips. Almost all the money that is being lost right now, as of at least yesterday, I haven't seen data on it today, is from new money into the market, is from leveraged traders, and not from institutions panic selling, right? You're not losing any money on Bitcoin or Ethereum. You are losing value. So your amount of Bitcoin is still the same. Your amount of Ethereum is still the same. I'm probably not putting that the best way, but basically you are not realizing any losses until you sell. And in my mind, as long as you feel comfortable and you don't have to have the money anytime soon, now is a great time to average down in positions that you like. Of course, this is not financial advice. We could see it continuously fall. I don't want people coming back to me in a couple months saying, hey, you told us to buy or something like that. This is not money I need anytime soon. I'm not retiring this year, next year. So this is money that I can afford to put in the market. And I realize it could fall down just like in the stock market. There could be different things that happen that cause it to fall down. But this is a higher risk level in my mind, also higher reward because we don't see hundreds of percent in gains in the stock market unless you're leverage trading or buying options and stuff like that as much as we do here in the crypto market. So just know that there is risk right now, but when there's blood in the streets, that's often one of the best times to buy. Of course, not financial advice. This is all your own business. I can't tell you what to do with your money, but that is what's happening in the market right now. Smart money is buying and eating up these dips, making sure that there is less out there in circulation because they want to buy it at a cheap price. And we still have a lot of exciting things coming for cryptocurrency, right? We have a lot of different cryptos really blowing up right now. We have a lot of people learning about cryptos, and we have a lot of projects that are really starting to hit interesting points where they are accepting smart contracts, accepting or changing over to proof of stake. Just a lot of different things that are exciting are happening. So overall, SafeMoon still has catalysts out there. If the cryptocurrency market does well, I think SafeMoon will do well. And if the reverse is happening, then it's the same thing. Now, we have seen some nice support here now a couple times in this range. So that is good to see that continuously happening over time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts on this down below. Of course, share this to anyone that you know that might be interested in this. If you guys want, you can definitely hit that button down there to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Definitely check out BlockFi to get that interest rate because like I said, if you're looking to buy, that is a great place to buy because you get an interest rate and a bonus. And this is definitely discount pricing from where we were before. And there is a link down there to Webull. I really appreciate that. It helps out the channel a lot when you sign up for that. And I do really appreciate, like I said, when you guys do that. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.